It's time. A favorite tradition. A sparkling spectacle not to be missed. It's the magic of the holidays. You are invited to join us and to celebrate the season with a warm glow. Thousands of lights among an historical site ready to be explored. Enjoy the free festive family fun, loaded with activities, carolers, and a very special encounter, too. Santa! Join us for holiday cheer that leaves twinkles in its tracks. The Festive Lights at Queen's Park.